If you're doing marketing today the same way you did in 2022, you're already losing money. Brands are not failing because their products are bad. They're failing because human decision making is too slow for today's platforms. In this video, I want to show you why traditional marketing no longer works, how AI automation is actually being used in B2B SaaS, and how can you apply this thinking even if you are an early stage. My name is Abhishek, co-founder of Wittelsbach.ai. I've spent half a decade in marketing, running performance ads, building systems, working with SaaS and e-commerce brands. After watching founders burn money repeatedly on the same mistake, we are building an AI automation to optimize Meta and Google Ads. This channel is about execution, not theory. Here is the real problem with marketing today. Marketing has become manual, slow, emotional, and disconnected from revenue. Founders track clicks, impressions, and engagement, but they rarely track decision quality. Humans cannot analyze thousands of data points in real time. Humans cannot react instantly to market changes. And humans cannot remove emotions from budget decisions. This is not a skill issue, it's a biological limitation. Now let's talk about AI automation without the buzzwords. AI automation is not ChatGPT writing captions. It is not random tools stitched together. And it is definitely not an AI marketing agency landing page. Real AI automation does three things. It observes patterns at scale, it makes decisions faster than humans, and it executes without emotion. In B2B SaaS, knowing which leads will convert, which campaigns deserve more budget, and which actions should be stopped before they waste money. Let me give you a real examples. In paid advertising, instead of manually optimizing ads once a week, AI systems evaluate every variable daily: audience behavior, creative fatigue, bidding patterns, and timing. The result is lower customer acquisition cost and higher return on ad spend. In sales and marketing, AI can score leads based on behavior and assumptions. Your sales team spends time only on high-intent users, not on people who will never convert. And the biggest benefit is for founders. Founders stop being the bottleneck. You stop managing tools and start managing decisions. Here's the mindset shift that matters. The future marketer is not a campaign manager. The future marketer is a system thinker, a decision architect, someone who designs feedback loops. If you are a B2B SaaS founder, ask for yourself, what decisions do I repeat every day? Which decisions cost me money, and when delayed, which decisions should never be emotional? Those are the processes that should be automated first. Here's what you should do next. Audit your decisions, not tools. Identify one repeatable process: ads, leads, onboarding, or reporting. Then automate intelligence before execution. Do not automate blindly. One well-designed AI system can outperform an entire team if built correctly. This channel will break down AI systems for B2B SaaS, marketing automation frameworks, and real experiments, both wins and failures. If you are a founder, marketer, or a builder who wants to leverage instead of hustle, you're in the right place. Subscribe, drop your questions in the comments, and tell me which part of your marketing feels broken right now. We will fix it step by step. If you want a real AI automation workflow, a breakdown of tools and systems, or live case studies, comment systems below. I'll see you in the next one.